What exactly is EBS and why is it one of the most widely used additives in the manufacturing world? EBS is known for its excellent lubrication, dispersion, mold release, anti-sticking, and surface-enhancing properties. EBS is compatible with a wide range of polymers. It improves flow, reduces melt viscosity, enhances dispersion, and boosts processing efficiency. In film applications like PE and BOPP, EBS works as an anti-block and slip agent, preventing films from sticking. Beyond plastics, EBS is widely used in rubber products, where it increases surface smoothness and gloss, ideal for hoses, sheets, and automotive mats. It is also a powerful dispersant in masterbatches, improving color uniformity and pigment wetting. In coatings and inks, EBS provides excellent slip, abrasion resistance, pigment grinding aid, and micro powder wax performance. EBS also works as a demolding agent for TPU and nylon, a lubricant for metal processing and powder metallurgy, and a modifier for asphalt and waterproof materials. So, why is EBS such an effective additive? It works through three key mechanisms. 1. Internal lubrication. EBS reduces melt friction inside the polymer, improving flow, processing stability, and overall efficiency. 2. External lubrication. It forms a protective layer that prevents sticking to molds and equipment, making demolding faster and cleaner. 3. Surface migration. EBS gradually moves to the surface of the polymer, where it functions as a slip agent, anti-block agent, and gloss enhancer, while also offering light anti-static performance. Therefore, EBS remains one of the most versatile and high-performance additives in modern manufacturing. Topwellgoal produces high-purity, consistent, and industry-optimized EBS for global customers. Contact us to learn more, request samples, or explore partnership opportunities.